How to redeem Sephora promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, then type in Sephora promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get Sephora promo code. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Sephora. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Groupon. You can also check out this one website. After you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Sephora. So go ahead and check out these. And you can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. With that, you're going to get the code. Now I can copy this code and then click on shop now. You will be directed to the official website of Sephora. Once you're in the website of Sephora, log into your account, select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem Sephora promo code. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.